In this video, we are going to consider the first 20 elements. We have numbers here labeled as atomic number from 1 to 10, and on this other side from 11 to 20. For you to easily write them in order, you have to form a song, or you can follow this one. The song goes as follows. Hey, he little better boy, come near our field. New nation manufacture all silver pots. So could Africa know Cameroon. I repeat. Hey, he little better boy, come near our field. New nation manufacture all silver pots. So could Africa know Cameroon. So now, by singing the song, you'll be able to identify the chemical symbols of the elements. So which means that in here, we take H as a chemical symbol, He, He as a chemical symbol, little, Li as a chemical symbol, better, Be, boy, B, come, C, near, N, O, field, F, new, Ne, nation, Na, manufacture, Mg, all, Al, silver, Si, pot, P, so, S, could, Cl, Africa, Ar, no, K, and Cameroon, Ca. So it means that after singing the song, you should be able to identify the letters that are used to represent the chemical symbols of elements. After identifying the chemical symbols of the elements, the names given to them are H for hydrogen, He for helium, Li for lithium, Be for beryllium, B for boron, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, Ne neon, Na for sodium, Mg for magnesium, Al for aluminium, Si for silicon, P for phosphorus, S for sulfur, Cl for chlorine, Ar for argon, K for potassium, Ca for calcium. Now you realize that for sodium and potassium, the chemical symbol is taken from the Latin or Greek name, natrium and kalium respectively. And again, you will observe that the chemical symbols are taken from either the element's name, like in the case of hydrogen, H, the first two letters, like in the case of helium, He, and the first letter and another letter, like in the case of magnesium, and so on. So if you understand this, you have no stress when writing the chemical symbols of elements. So these symbols are the internationally accepted symbols for the different chemical elements. Now, after singing the song in that order, you'll be able to know the corresponding valencies of the different elements. Now, for example, if you sing the song and you reach at nation, nation is number 11. How then do you know the valency? You start from 1. After 1, you go to 0. 0 to 1, 2, 3. Until when you reach 4, you start reducing. 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So after counting, the number that reaches at nation will be the valency of that element. Or you can also use your fingers. For example, if we have element number 10, what are we going to do to know the valency? We'll just say 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, which means that the 10th element has a valency of 0. Now, this is done without you looking at the table. Now, to confirm, you realize that The 10th element here has a valency of 0. So this is what you can do in order to know the valencies of the different elements without you even referring to this table. So all what you need to do is just sing your song in that order. You end at a particular number. That particular number will tell you the chemical symbol which you will use to identify the name of the element. Now, at that point, you have a particular number. You start counting 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right up to that particular element or that particular number. The number that reaches you there be the valency of the element. Now, we define valency talking about group of atoms, which means that group of atoms also have their valencies.